Rolling down this old highway, engine hums a steady tune. Sun is sinking low, and I'm chasing the silver moon. Dust kicks up behind me like whispers in the night. Every mile I drive, I feel the fire ignite. I hear the sound of smoke rising in the sky, a song of freedom where the highways lie. With every turn, every bend, I'm chasing what I know. Nothing feels like home, like the sound of smoke. Went through the cab, stories written in the line, memories of old towns and neon lights that shine. Truck stops and coffee, laughter with strangers I meet. Life's a rolling story, played on endless concrete. I hear the sound of smoke rising in the sky, a song of freedom where the highways lie. With every turn, every bend, I'm chasing what I know. Nothing feels like home, like the sound of smoke. The night gets heavy, but the stars light my way. Engines and heartbeats keep the darkness at bay. And I'll keep driving till the morning awoke, living my story in the sound of smoke. I hear the sound of smoke rising in the sky, a song of freedom where the highways lie. With every turn, every bend, I'm chasing what I know. Nothing feels like home, like the sound of smoke. Rolling down this highway with the fire in my soul. I'm chasing dreams, listening to the sound of smoke.